Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up my very first monthly subscription from Jesse James Beads. So their subscription is called Magical Mystery Bead Box, and this company contacted me and asked me if I was interested in opening up one of these. And I have to tell you guys, I know of Jesse James Beads. I've seen them all over the place, but I did not know that they had their own monthly subscription. So cool. So I went online to their site and I saw how big their box is, and it comes with a lot of stuff in it. So I said, sure, send me a box and I'll open it with you guys and see what it's like. And I have not peeked inside. It is totally sealed and I'm dying to see what's in here. I got the box yesterday. So anyways, they also gave me a coupon code to share with you guys. The coupon code is gonna save you 15% off your order, and the coupon code is Beautiful Nights, and I believe that's in all capital letters. And they also said that if you subscribe for 3 months or more, you will get free shipping. So I would go over with you all of their subscription plans, but it's going to take a long time, and really you're just better off going to their site and seeing it. They offer a 1 month, 3, 6, and 12 month plan, and the longer you're subscribed to them, the cheaper you're going to get your box for, and using the coupon code will save you even more money. So you're just better off going to their site, and I will put a link to their site down there below the video along with the coupon code that they gave me, okay? And before I open this, I just have to tell you guys, I have been subscribed to 6 different bead subscriptions, and out of all the subscriptions I have been subscribed to, I have never gotten a box this big. It is huge, and it's the heaviest box I've ever gotten from a subscription. So let's go ahead and open this up. I gotta find my knife. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be messy. Okay, let's see. So the subscription is called Summer Cowgirl, which is awesome because I am a country girl. I love country music and I love Western stuff, especially Western jewelry, so this is exciting. And it looks like this is the name of all the things in the box. Pretty cool. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that strand. Oh my gosh, the charms are so cool. Okay, I'm trying not to make a mess. I'll take this out first. Wow, this is really cool. And I bet these beads are handmade. They have to be. Just look at that. It's so fancy. Every time I see one of these strands strung like this, I want to make something with it, but I don't want to destroy the pattern. I want to use the same pattern that I get in the strand, just because of how beautiful they are and how perfectly they string them. That's really pretty. Okay, and I gotta see these charms here. What is this? Is that a locket? It looks like a locket. Oh, I love that. So cute. And this is actually enameling on that bead. Those are really awesome. And here's the locket. Oh my gosh, it actually opens. That is cute. It's really cute. And here are some more charms. We have moons. Is it there? Those are cute. And it's like a matte gold color. Okay, I gotta put this back. Those are really cute. Okay, next thing. Cowgirl Country. It's a mixture of a whole bunch of different beads. It looks like check fire polish. These are check fire polish. There's faceted glass. There's glass pearls. Maybe some acrylic. There's bead caps. They're beautiful. There's teardrops, rice shape. Rondelles. I love that rondelle right there. That's a really pretty green. It's a luster on it. Bead caps are different colors. There's copper, there's gold. These are check fire polish. Here are ceramic beads. These look like they're check. Really big check fire polish. Oh my gosh, and there's check petal beads. I love these. I use these all the time in my flowers. A really nice mixture of beads in here. And I love that they have the check beads. The colors are really pretty. I love teal. There's a lot of teal in that. Here are some charms. These are really cool. I wonder what that is. Some kind of a stone. Those are cute. Okay. Here's some more mixes. Cactus bloom. These look like Swarovski. I can tell by the hole usually. The hole's rounded. I think they're Swarovski crystals. These colors are beautiful together. Here are some pearls. I think these might be check pearls because they have that special round shape. It's not perfectly round. It's more like an oval round check beads are, so like the Drux. Pretty cool. And then we have, is this a chain? Let's see, is this stapled together? How do I open this? I think it's stapled. No way, there's 4 of them. There's 4. Chain reaction, open chain links to add more beads. Oh wow, this is so cool. And you know what I love most? It is wire wrapped. See that? The beads are wire wrapped on. That's really pretty. And there's 2 of these. Is there a clasp on it? I see a split ring there. No, there's not. That's really pretty. I love that. And then here it is in gold and brown. This one does have a different pattern on it though. So see, this one here is squiggly. This gold connector right there. This one is squiggly, but it's a different shape. See how this one's thinner and that one's wider? These are so pretty, and there's 2 of them. I can't believe they gave 2 of each. I thought there would be like 1 of each, but there's 2. That's awesome. Those are really cool. Okay, next thing is some charms and pendants, cord. I did see when I went onto their website, I went to this box. This is June's box. And I saw that they have a tutorial for a necklace, or maybe it was a choker. I think it was a choker, using this cactus here in a cord, the stuff in this bag. Is it going to mention the tutorial on this card? Yep, right here. Check out the link below for video tutorial. And I think that the cactus charms are pewter. That's what I saw. Yes. Pewter cactus pendant and the itty bitty pewter charms here are also cactus. Are pewter. There's 2 of these. These are pretty big. It's like 1.5 inches, maybe 2. These are really cute. And then, where'd the smaller ones go? Here are the smaller ones. Is there 4 in here? These are thick. I dropped one on my lap. Here's the other one. These ones here are double-sided. These aren't. These are cute. So if you want, you could put these in a bracelet and this would be in the necklace. Okay, so here is the cord. It's a suede cord. It's a really nice dark brown. And this was also in the bag with the cord. The cord cramp ends. And there's some head pins. They're not regular head pins. There are stars. Looks like a little flower with a star on it. Those are cute. I really like those spacer beads. They look like Bali spacers. And there is still more stuff in the box. These here might be gemstones. Yep, they're gemstones. They're nice and cold. And I can see that they're drilled. Really pretty colors. Yeah, so on the card it tells you what everything is in your box, which also tells you on some of the items what they are. Oh, look at that. So here is a coupon. And I think that's everything. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in this box. So I didn't get to look at this. These are tassels. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I want to know how they made those. It's like a little flower that they have a bead cap on, and there is, I'm thinking there's a head pin going through there. That's cool. There's a bunch of different tassels. I love all of those colors, especially this one right here. There's also these little like felt balls in there with a little thing glued on the top there for charm. Those are cool. So I think I went over everything. There's a lot of stuff in this box. So I thought that I showed you guys everything, and then I went through the stuff again and I found these little pieces here, and I thought that they were little charm connectors. And then I realized that these were sticking to each other. So they're actually not connectors, they are clasps. They're magnetic. How cute is that? I love these. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a really cool subscription, and again, I will put a link for the website down there below the video. And make sure you look through the different plans they have. The 3-month plan really does look like the way to go, especially for me. And remember, I have a coupon code to share with you guys. It is 15% off your order, and the word is Beautiful Nights, and I think it's in all capital letters. And remember, all the information you will need will be down there below the video. Click on the show more and you'll see all the information. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. And now you can also follow me on Instagram and tag me in pictures there. Thanks for watching.